Order-wise consumption report. This report can be called a drill down report to food costing report. It gives you a very in-depth analysis of the profit or loss incurred on every order. Let us see how can we access this report in Petpooja inventory. To begin, you'll have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under inventory, there is a heading for reports where you will find order-wise consumption report. Now as you can see, the filters are available and can be applied as per the order number or by the date range or by the order type. Now let us understand order types. So there are 4 consumption methods which we call as an order here. Now what are the consumption methods in the system? The first one being order consumption, which is the consumption which takes place when an order is punched inside the F&B outlet or a restaurant. For example, an order for ice cream comes in and in inventory raw material by the name of ice cream will be reduced. The second is wastage. The raw material ice cream got wasted somehow in this particular quantity. That is also a type of consumption. Then there is sales. Sales is essentially when you sell the raw material ice cream in its raw form to another outlet or another supplier or another vendor. And then comes conversion. Conversion is essentially converting multiple raw materials into one single raw material. For example, we will combine mangoes plus sugar plus milk and create a new raw material by the name of mango puree. In-depth explanation of all of this is given in the inventory explainer video. Currently, we will be selecting orders and clicking on search after putting in the date range. Because the data size is very large, you can only create this report for 7 days. As you can see here, first my order number is visible. The order type, whether it was dine-in, delivery, etc. will be visible here. And the item names included in the order will be visible like so. The total order price was 600 rupees. The profit and loss ratio for this order was 70% and the cost of goods sold was 180 rupees. Now the description of cost of goods sold is given here. Salt was used in this much quantity and this raw material was used in this much quantity. The average purchase price of those raw materials is also listed here. If there are multiple items, let's say in this order there are 3 items, that will result to population of multiple raw materials on the right hand side. In case you want to reduce certain items and check out specific dish prices, then you can also do that by clicking and unclicking this box. Along with all these details, the payment type for the same order date will also be mentioned here. As you can see, this displays the profit and loss of the particular time period listed here. So profit and loss for 1st September to 7th September is 99.91%. Now mine is a demo outlet, so all the amount and items are created for understanding purpose only. So kindly do not go by this number, gross profit or gross loss percentage displayed here. If I change it to wastage, then all the wastage is done during that period will be displayed here along with the price. This sales is essentially for the raw material sales taken place. And the last is for conversion. As you can see here, this particular conversion includes this many items. So the batter is a conversion and the batter is made up of water and rice. Now if you want to export this, you can click here and click on export all. and an Excel file with all the details will be generated that can help you to manage the data in multiple manners and visualize it in different ways. Let us understand the use case of this report. This report is used to analyze bulk or special orders. Let's say there was Christmas and you want to analyze your Christmas sales for those 5 or 4 days. You can actually come here and see whether you made profit, whether your marketing campaigns were successful around the festival or not. Along with that, you can also see that in case of multiple bulk orders coming in and the outlet being very busy, did my outlet make enough profit, or how much profit did my outlet make in those rush hours or days where bulk orders were coming in? There are n number of use cases for this report. And this being one of the most in-depth report in Petpooja inventory, I would strongly suggest you to use it. The primary requirement would be that your outlet or your entire brand should operate Petpooja inventory very accurately. So this was all about order-wise consumption report in Petpooja inventory. Now this report will be different for each of your outlet. So first come here, select your outlet and then only generate this report for accurate data entries. Thank you.